It is such a good, lovely day, sunny skies and clear skies. All the snow has been melted, feeling so good. I think summer is starting very soon. The days are becoming longer. Hello, friends, welcome to my channel Archie Chowdhury. How are you all doing? I hope you all are having a nice time and enjoying your Sunday today. And friends, today it was a very requested video, and one of my subscriber wanted me to show her how I make instant pot chicken fried rice, that is chicken biryani. So let's come into, I'm already into my kitchen, so let's get started. So today I'm trying to make drumstick fried rice. So I've just taken 4 drumsticks. So I'm putting a ginger cube. I have grinded ginger and made it into a paste, and here I add a ginger cube. So I put a frozen ginger cube. Now I'm doing cut garlic, like 3 or 4 pods. So I'm going to add 2 cups of water. So I've added 2 cups of water. Now I'm adding some salt. You can add the salt according to your taste. Some cumin seed powder. Some cumin seeds. 1 spoon of chili powder. So now I just close the lid of the instant pot and on it. So here I put for pressure cook, not for 10 minutes, just for 5 minutes, because chicken will get cooked very quickly. Yeah, pressure cook. And I put it on venting, sealing I mean, we'll vent it later. So now I have vented it out and I'm removing the lid of it. So now I've removed the lid and it got cooked so well. Now I'll add the rice. So now I'm adding the rice. I've taken 2 cups of rice. And remember, we had put 2 cups of water. Now we'll only put 2 more cups of water to make it 4. So now I'm adding 2 more cups of water. So I'll just stir it one time and just close the lid. And we are done with 1 pot meal, instant fried rice in an instant pot. So we just close the lid again, put it on sealing again. So we put it for pressure cook for 8 minutes and we'll be done. So I put it on sealing now. So I'm removing all the steam and venting all the steam which was trapped. So let's see, and once this goes down, oh, it's hot. So here it's cooked. Opening it in front of you guys and see how it looks. White chicken fried rice. Looks yum. So let me just take out. I want to take it out slowly. I don't want the chicken to break out. Looks so good. Ouch, the chicken looks so cooked. Just see it's falling apart. I'll just serve you hot rice. Hot chicken fried rice. I purposely didn't put turmeric because every time I've showed you so much of turmeric foods, I said today I'll show you white fried rice. So here it looks, and this is how it looks. Enjoy the first bite with yum chicken. Hold the chicken in your hand and bite it. Yum, 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 yum. So saw how easy it was to do it, and so yummy it came out. It was really, when I was editing, I said, oh, I'm hungry again, because we had this last night and I'm editing today in the afternoon. So I said, wow, this was really tasty and I'm feeling like eating right now. So it was that tasty. Everybody enjoyed. My whole family members enjoyed. And somebody was asking me about the calendar. So just let me just stop over here for a second. In a calendar, but I keep tearing one page of every month and attaching on my refrigerator, because I'll come to know what and all I have to do. So this is the calendar. I just tear it apart because the whole calendar is too heavy. So I just have to do like this and nothing more. We had just gone to Mount Rushmore, so I just have that magnet over here. Then I just have some pen holders. This is my daughter when she was very little, around 3 or 4, 5 years of age. So I've just not put much, and Yeah, nothing much, and yeah. So all this only is on my fridge. And over here I've kept my dishwasher on, and it is getting dishwasher is on, and my dishes are being done. So that when I'm standing in the kitchen, you can see this as the background. So nothing much, and yeah. So here's my finger is coming on my this one. I have a little cleaning to do in the kitchen, and that was it. I hope you enjoyed this chicken fried rice, chicken biryani in an instant pot, and it's a one pot meal. I hope you all liked it, and sorry for vegetarian people, but you can add some veggies and do the same thing in your instant pot and make one pot fried rice, and that's a veg biryani. So I hope you all are going to try and send me pictures on Instagram, catch me up on Facebook, TikTok, and see you later in the next video. And if you have not subscribed yet, please consider subscribing, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye. Love you all.